Hi everyone, Jason here. Welcome to my kitchen again. Today I'm going to show you how to make Indian fry bread or Navajo tacos. So thanks for watching. Let's check out the ingredients. Okay, for the fry bread itself, we're going to use 2 cups of bread flour. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and we're going to use peanut oil to fry it up when we're done. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our dry ingredients into our mixer. First our flour, salt, and our baking powder. And we're going to go ahead and mix that up so everything's incorporated together. And next we're going to put in 1 cup of warm water. And we're going to start mixing our dough. Depending on your dough, you may need to add a little bit more water, which I think I'm going to. Okay, our dough is done. It's not sticking to the bowl anymore, so we're going to shut that off and just let that set aside for a little bit. And then we're going to take a look at the ingredients we're going to put on top of our tacos. Here's the ingredients we're going to put on our fried bread tacos. So we have a pound of taco seasoned hamburger or ground beef. We have some chopped tomatoes, chopped cilantro, some chopped up lettuce. We have some refried beans, some cheddar cheese, and some sour cream. Okay, we've let our dough sit for like 5 to 10 minutes and we've rolled it out, put it on a floured surface. I'm going to separate it out into 6 equal pieces, make little balls, and then we'll get ready to flatten those out for about a 6-inch to 7-inch disc that we'll fry. Okay, I'm going to show you really quick how to make this into a fried bread disc. I'm just going to take this. You could do this by hand, but I'm going to use a rolling pin. Okay, there's our first one. We're going to go ahead and repeat for the remaining 5. Okay, now we have our pan of oil heating up. We're going to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We have about 2.5 to 3 inches of oil in the bottom of that pan, and we're going to go for about 2 minutes on each side, and pay attention to the color. We're looking for like a golden brown. And I hope I don't have to tell you to be very careful. This is extremely hot oil, so when you lay this in, lay it down away from you. And there you can see it's drying away. And like I said, we're going for about 2 minutes. We're going to use our tongs and turn it over and watch for a nice golden brown color. Okay, that's been close to 2 or 3 minutes, and we're going to go ahead and give it a turn. Okay, we're nearing done, and as you can see, I got a bowl with a paper towel in it. We're going to stack these up vertical so we can drain off the excess oil, and then we're going to just repeat for the remaining 5. So there you have it. We're done frying those 6 Indian bread tacos. I'm going to go ahead and fix this up. First, I'm going to put some refried beans on and smear that goodness on there. Next goes the taco meat. Next, we're going to put on some shredded cheese. Next, we're gonna put some healthy stuff on. We're gonna put a little lettuce on here. Some chopped tomatoes. We have some chopped cilantro. We're going to give it a squirt of some nummy sour cream. And I like taco sauce, so I'm going to put a little taco sauce on as well. Doesn't that look delicious? Riley wanted to show how good it was, so what do you think, Riley?
It's really good.
Yeah?
Hello.
Hi, Trevin.
Hi.
Kind of messy, but good.
It's super messy, but it's super good.
Yep. Bye, everyone. So there you have it, Indian fry bread tacos. This is going to be kind of a mess, but I'm going to go ahead and take a bite. So delicious. Look at that. Fried bread is amazing. Those delicious fresh ingredients on top. You may need a fork, but I'm gonna eat it messy, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this. Give me a like, comment, and if you don't mind, subscribe.